being on the road, doing them loads, doing the logs, writing everything down, meeting deadlines, doing my push-up structure, built discipline, studying during the day, at nighttime, getting up, walking when I was done for the day. That structure saved my life. That structure helped me to become a better version of myself. That structure helped me to become a better leader for my family. This is a message to men and women. Your kids are watching you. They're watching everything you do, everything you do. So if you're out doing wrong, they're going to do wrong. If you're doing right, they're going to do right. And I'm real big on if you teach them, give them the information they need, it's up to them to follow that. Because a lot of times, some of these kids want to learn on their own, and you can't force them. You can't force them to do the right thing. As they say, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. You can show them, that this life will tear you down. This life will build you up. And it's up to them to make the best choice for their life. They don't need perfection. You don't need perfection because ain't nobody gonna never be perfect. But consistency always win. Like they say, the turtle always win the race. The turtle never gave up. He just kept going. And it's all about showing up. If you show up, it's gonna eventually show up for you. Like I say, consistency is the key. Keep going, don't give up. It's things out there that everyone has dreams and goals. No matter what state of life you in or what type of person you are, everyone has a type of goal. They have some things that they really want to achieve. But if you start it and you never finish it, you will never achieve it. You will never achieve it if you never finish. Consistency is the key. Health matters because you only got one vehicle to drive in life. You only got one. So regular maintenance is due, just like you maintenance your car, because this is the vehicle you got to drive through life. A little bit of exercise, right? A little bit of exercise, a little bit of changing the oil there now and again, putting a little WD-40 on them axles and the old knees and elbows. Drinking plenty of water, drinking electrolytes. Take care of your body, man. Your body will take care of you. Skill matters. Discipline matters. These days in life, you gotta have a skill. You gotta have a skill. Gotta have a trade. Trades always win. A CDL is a trade. Getting your real estate license is a trade. Getting a plumber's license is a trade. Electrician, a trade. Septic contractor, trade. Recession proof. Don't nobody want to work at a restaurant for the rest of their life. And there's nothing wrong with working at a restaurant. If that's your choice, do it. Do it to the fullest. Try to become a restaurant owner. If your kids see you disciplined, they grow up expecting discipline. If your kids see you disciplined, they grow up expecting discipline. Listen, I trained in the storm. I walked when I was tired. I studied when I could have slept. I meal prepped when it was easier not to. Discipline is what carried me from chaos to ownership. Comment storm if you're training in tough conditions right now. This is James Welcome, the Welcome Legacy episode. This is James Welcome. Welcome Legacy Podcast, episode 13. I trained in the storm. Tune in every Wednesday at 7:30 for another show. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a blessed day.